Thank you, Toshiba, for sponsoring today's video. Today I will be showcasing the Toshiba Multifunctional Microwave Oven. So on top of our box, after I've opened the lid, we have our paperwork. They've included a very nice recipe book. So let's open the cover and take a peek real quick. Here we have the table of contents. Look what a beautiful picture that is. Makes me hungry just looking at it. How about you? Okay, moving forward. We have an instruction manual that will tell us all that we need to know about our Toshiba oven and how to operate it. And it comes with this card that gives us some tips for using. Next, we have a very nice turntable plate. And here's the little circle ring bracket holder that goes underneath the turntable for the turntable to turn on. Let's remove this styrofoam. So we're down to the oven now. So what I'm going to do from here is to take my box cutter and I'm going to try to cut down this box around the sides, and that way we can get the oven out more easily. These are the accessories that come with the Toshiba Multifunctional Oven. We have a glass turntable with the little ring that it rotates on, a nice grill pan, a nice grill rack, and then our paperwork with our recipe book and owner's manual. Of the many great features of the Toshiba Multifunctional Oven, it functions as a microwave, but it also functions as an air fryer. It also has a crispy grill function. You can also do convection baking, and it also has a great feature that you won't find in a lot of products, and that is the ability to do low temperature cooking. One instance that you would want to do like a low temperature cooking or baking would be like for yogurt. And I've also read in the manual that this is great if you want to proof your bread doughs inside. So the first function I'm going to try to test out on the Toshiba Multifunction Oven is I'm going to just try to make me some toast using the grill setting. I'll place my bread, which is on the grill rack, inside the oven. Close the door, hit broil, hit start, click the button over to set my time. I'm going to let it go for about 3 minutes. Really don't know how long it's going to take to bake it, but we'll see. We're just aiming for simple toast here. And I'm going to hit the start button. Okay, let's check out our toast. Oh, it's perfect, you all. Okay, let me get this out. So set my broil, start, turn my time to 3 minutes. Let it go once again. That should make perfect toast. Now I call that some perfect made toast. Next, I'm going to try out the convection oven function of the Toshiba oven. And I have a frozen pizza right here, and I'm going to place it on the rack. This is actually called a bake rack. I've noticed that when I was looking back through the manual. I was calling it a grill rack, I think. But anyway, it says in the manual to preheat your oven. So let's move this over and let's get started. So to use the convection oven, I'm going to allow my oven to preheat. So I'm going to hit the bake button. I'm going to go up to 425. And I'm going to click start. That is to confirm my time. Then I'm going to press it a second time to start the preheating. Okay, our oven is preheated, so now I'm going to open the door and place my pizza inside. Being careful not to touch the insides of the oven because it gets very hot. Close my door. Then I'm going to set my time to go for about 20 minutes. May not take that long to bake, we'll see. Now I'm going to click start. Allow that to bake, and once it's done, I'll bring you all back and we'll check this pizza out and see how it turned out. Oh boy, y'all, I walked away and forgot about my pizza. The box directions said like 17 minutes, and so you could see on the timer it's only like 8:58, and needless to say, our pizza is well done. So I'm going to carefully remove this from the oven and take it over there to the cutting board, and we'll get a better look at this pizza. I believe it's still salvageable. Let's see. There we go. Can you all hear that nice crispy crunch? I love pizza. It's one of my favorite foods. Okay, I'm going to grab a little slice of this pizza and give it a try. Check the bottom of it. Nice and crunchy. Now for the taste test. Delicious. It's very good. So next I'm going to try the air fry function. So I have my grill rack right here. I'm going to place my grill pan right on top of that. And right here I have some Angus hot dog wieners, and I've cut little slits up and down one side, and then I flipped them over and did that on the other side. So I'm going to place those now on top of my grill pan. And let's move over to the oven and we'll pick it up from there. Okay, I'm going to open the oven. Now I know that my hot dogs, when they go to grilling and cooking in the air fry mode, that some of the juices are going to come out of the hot dog wieners and drip down. So I'm going to place a piece of parchment paper in the bottom on top of my plate there to catch the mess. Now parchment paper is perfectly safe for all ovens. Then I'm going to place my pan of hot dogs inside. And this should not hinder the flow of the turntable turning. So now I'm going to shut the door. So we're going to hit the air fry button. I'm going to go up to 425. I'm going to hit the start. Then I'm going to scroll over to about, I'm going to let it go for 4 minutes. Click my start button. So I'm going to just watch this as they cook, and I'll bring you all back here in just a moment. Okay, our time is up, so let's open the door and have a look at these. Oh, can you hear that sizzle? Wonderful, wonderful. So I'm just going to reach carefully back in here and give these a little turn. I know I have to watch the insides because it's stainless steel and it will burn me. I'm going to hit start. Set my timer for, I think I set it for 3 minutes this time. I think I set it for 4 just a moment ago. So let's try 3. Click start, and I'll bring you all back once again once the time is up, or if I need to before then. Okay, our timer is up, so let's check on these once again. Oh, listen to that sizzle, y'all. Alright, I'm going to remove these because they look plenty done. And we'll go to the side here and dress these up. Look at those nice charred parts of the hot dog. That's what makes it look delicious, right guys? Now let's dress these hot dogs up. I'm going to add just some ketchup and mustard to each one. And now a little mustard right down the middle. I'd like to thank Toshiba once again for sponsoring this video, and also any information regarding how you can purchase one of these for yourself will be left in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, guys.